Hello, hi. So we're still in week 4, and we are going to discuss in our second video the Transtheoretical Model of Behavioral Change. So let's look at the stages. We have the pre-contemplation. In this stage, the individual is not considering change in the foreseeable future, usually defined as the next 6 months. They may not be aware of the problem, discouraged by previous failed attempt, or resistant to recognize the issue. So the characteristic statement could be, I don't have a problem, or I cannot change, so why try? So this is a pre-contemplation. Now, the contemplation, this is the stage. This is an individual who recognizes that a problem exists and seriously thinking about addressing it within the next 6 months. But they're not yet committed to taking action. They're like, okay, I know I have this problem. Okay, I know I need to change it. But they haven't taken any step or action to change it yet. They weigh the pros and the cons for changes versus continuing the current behavior. Characteristic statement could be, I know I should change, but I am not ready. Or, I know I should change, but I'm not sure I'm ready. Then you have the preparation stage. The individual intend to take action in the immediate future, usually within the next month, and may have already taken preliminary steps. They are developing a specific plan and may be gathering resources or social support. Characteristic statement that may fit this stage is, I'm going to start next week and I'm already bought my pedometer. Action stage. This is an individual who have made specific observation change in their lifestyle within the past 6 months. This stage requires considerable commitment, time, and energy. And characteristic statement could be, I've been walking 30 minutes every day for the past 2 months. So the action stage is when they're actually in the changing process. Then you have the maintenance stage, is the individual is sustaining the behavior change for more than 6 months and is working to prevent a relapse. The focus shift from making the change to integrating it as a part of their lifestyle. A statement that could tell you that this person is in the maintenance stages. Exercise is now just a part of my routine. I don't even think about it anymore. That's the maintenance stage.